This JMP demonstration shows how to filter a dataset to graph or analyze only a subset of your data. We're using the company's data from JMP's sample data folder, and we'll describe two ways to filter your data. The first way is with the local data filter, which applies a filter within a graph or analysis report without affecting any of your other open graphs or analyses. From an open report, select Local Data Filter under the red triangle. Under the Local Data Filter controls, choose the variable or variables that you'd like to filter on, and select the plus symbol. Here we'll choose the categorical variable size of company, and the continuous variable profit as a % of sales. Small graphs are displayed for our filter variables. You can use the bar graph to select, for example, only small and medium companies, and the histogram to select only companies with % profit greater than or equal to 0. The analysis is automatically updated to include only those rows that meet the filter criteria. The other data filtering method that we'll see is filter views, which let you apply a filter to the data table and see a live subset of the data. From an open data table, select the Filter Views tab in the Table panel. Select the plus symbol and provide a filter view name. A table filter panel will display to the right of the data table, and as with the local data filter, we'll select our filter variables, click the plus symbol, and specify our filter criteria. The data table now displays only those rows that meet our criteria, and with this filter view active, any graph or analysis that we run on the data table will include only those rows. But note that the excluded rows haven't been deleted, they're just temporarily excluded while that filter view is active. You can create and save multiple filter views and switch between them as desired. And if you switch filter views with a graph or analysis open, that graph or analysis will display a warning icon in the top right. Click the icon and select Sync to Data Table Changes to update the analysis for the currently active filter. A new data table can be created based on the active filter view by selecting Open View as New Table under the red triangle at the top of the data table next to the filter view name.